Hi everybody, I'm here with Owen from Owen's Top Notch Lawn Care here in Swansea, Massachusetts. Owen bought a Windstorm last year and has had a chance of using this thing through last fall as well as this summer. So I just wanted him to give us a brief overview of how it helped his bottom line and features that he loves about his machine.
Okay, so the main reason I bought this machine was because I'm not necessarily about manpower. I just want to make a few guys' jobs easier. So what I could accomplish with 6 guys with backpack blowers and walk-behinds, I can do with this machine and 2 guys in less time. It helps me make the same money faster. So a couple of the things that I really like about this machine is, for one, the control center. Everything is, it's right at your fingertips. You don't have to, sit back and look and figure out where everything is. I mean, when you're standing on the machine, the nozzle angle is right underneath your hand, so you can even click it while you're backing up. The key and the instrument panel and throttle and all that stuff is right underneath where you are, so you don't have to, sit back and look, as I did on the Hurricane when I demoed that one. Another thing that this machine really has going for it is the operator platform is inside the wheel wells as opposed to way out and back. That was another issue that I found on the Hurricane, is that when I would get close to objects, I wasn't used to having the platform out behind me. So I'd hit trees occasionally, or fences and stuff like that. This machine rides smoother since it's based on a lawnmower platform. It's very stable, it's quick, it's nimble, and your kidneys don't hurt at the end of the day after bouncing around on it. Fits nicely on a trailer. Every guy that I've had hop on this thing can use it immediately. They don't have to, spend 20 minutes or a half hour trying to figure out how to use the machine. It is very fuel efficient, even though it has a 37 horse motor on it. You can run for a couple of days on a full tank. And the other thing that makes this machine great is dealer support. I had a few issues in the beginning since this was a demo machine, and it was one of the first renditions, so I brought it back to Dave's Lawnmower here in Swansea, and they helped me out and straightened everything out, got a couple of little tiny issues fixed. And I guess that's really what makes the whole thing worth it, is having a good dealer and a good man such as yourself to help you out along the way.
Thanks very much, Owen.